It's just like, I'm gonna get serious with you guys for a minute. It's like everything's going against me. It's so insane. This is the third time I'm trying to make this video. Like, why does it seem like people, like, I don't know what it is, but it's like the forces of evil are just trying to pull me into a dark place. I'm not gonna let it happen. I'm gonna try and I'm just gonna keep my head on, keep striving forward. Now, before I dive into the charts, I wanted to apologize because obviously I recently started back this journey, whatever I want to call it, and the past week I didn't make a video, but that was because there was a family emergency. My fiance had to go to the hospital to have a surgery, this, that, and the other, and just put me in a bad place. As I said, so many bad things have been happening in my life. It's just mad. And yeah, that led to me being in a very low emotional state, in a very bad place in a way, like, yeah, emotionally, like, kind of like just all over the place. And yeah, that affected my trading a bit because I was trying not to stop. I wanted to get videos out, but because of the whole situation that was going on and me trying to do that, my head wasn't in the right place. My head wasn't in the right space, and yeah, it just led to me not focusing, not paying attention, and yeah, we lost everything. But this is just the dark side of trading. I mean, we lost it all. But yeah, my fiance is okay now. But now is like the best time to try and just get back onto the charts and get my head straight and just get back into this progression of making these videos and keeping track of everything, because I wasn't able to keep track of nothing. I remember the last trade I took that went south. Let's jump on the charts actually now. The trade that I was in before all this just started to just fall apart was silver. I was actually going long, expecting to go to the 50. I'm still expecting it to get to 50 at some point in the future, but as I said, I wasn't really paying attention, because if I was, I would have aggressively managed move stops below these lows, and I wouldn't have lost the entire, like, literally I did not even move stops from, it was at, I think my stops was at £50, and it, like, yeah, I just lost it all. I think at the peak the account went up to like 311, and yeah, I just wasn't in the right headspace. But I'm not really frustrated. As I said, it's a part of trading. Like, you have, like, I'm not just gonna make videos of all the glamorous times. I want to show you the dark side as well, and this is one of the dark sides of trading, when like emotions get attached and you're in a bad place and you decide to trade. It can just go downhill from there. I mean, it doesn't have to be like a family member. It could just be you in your personal life. It could be something to do with your job, something to do with your mentality, something to do with whatever it is in your life, and it just puts you in a bad place. And then going on the charts with that mindset is just not the best thing to do. But I just wanted to try and continuously keep making content. I didn't want to stop making content, so I tried to go ahead and continue, and then it did not work, so then I just had to stop right there and then. And now that things are kind of getting better, yeah, I'm just getting back into the charts and moving forward. But yeah, this is where silver is at the moment. Looking like it's probably going to come back down to 26, and before going higher to 50. I'm still keeping my 50 prediction out there. Like, I do think it's probably going to get to 50, but probably not now. But once it's kind of like consolidated and retraced a bit more, doing whatever it's doing. This is the cycle of the market. Just let it go through its cycle and go do whatever it's doing. But because we went from 311, I think, back down to 60, so the moment it counts at 60, I can only trade so many pairs, commodities, assets with such small amount, and gold is one of them that I can trade. So I'm currently in on gold. I did try to get in earlier in the morning. Like, I was waiting for a pullback to this level right here. Unfortunately, we did not get it, and the market went on without me. Slightly irritating, but this happens. This is trading. but we got in on a potential short trade going down. This one I am going to have to start managing aggressively, like really aggressively, and not lose full amounts. So like if my stop, like try and not let price get to my first initial stops, but just like keep them at lower lows, so just like move them to lower lows or move them to lower highs as the market climbs or falls, so that way I can try and like not lose too much more, because as I said, the account is like literally at bare minimum right now. So I gotta try and get it back up to the starting point, which was 120. So I'm actually minus 50%. Before everything happened, I was actually, I think, probably up 180%. So now I'm down minus 50%. So yeah, I'm trading aggressively because of the small account. I'm trying to get up, and everything just went against me in this period of time. But nonetheless, I'm not gonna let that get to me, and I'm gonna continuously keep going forward. There's one trade that I was keen on getting into, and it's this bad boy. This one here, UK 100. This looks like a nice opportunity, meets my rules, and I've set my stop. Wait, let's just make sure my stops are actually at the right place. I can't enter this trade anyways because I don't have the capital to do that, but if I did, then I would have. Yeah, my stops are at the right place. So yeah, we're just gonna see how that plays out. My take profit are down at previous lows, potentially could hit the 6,000, but I'm not taking a trade anyways. It's just to keep my analysis out there. So that's something I'm looking at. There's also a few other ones, but as I said, there's no point in me going through them because I can't trade them until this gold trade decides to go and hit my TP. But I just wanted to make this quick update just so you don't think I've fallen off again. Just a lot of things have been happening that's completely going against me. So this is the dark side of trading. Yes, there's the glamorous bright side where everything's going your way and everything's just all jolly when you're making profits, and I've enjoyed the fruits of that labor. But now this is the dark side where I just have to grind it out and stick through it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, just to document this entire journey, to show you guys how it is or is not done. But as I said, don't follow anything I do because I don't know what I'm doing. As you can see, I've lost like 200% in a day. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing, so don't follow me, please. It's like the stupidest thing you can do. Do not follow me. But yeah, as I said, I'm waiting for gold to go past this 90 and 80 level, and then move stops and hopefully just continue going down. But yeah, I'll keep you up to date and see how that goes. That being said, this is the third time you're recording this video, so I hope this is the third and final time. Yeah, trade green, my peeps.